Moonlight Nana. Hello everyone, I'm Moonlight Nana and this is my 29th Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope it can help you start off your first step in your digital art journey. In the previous tutorial video, we learned about converting layers, thus completing the topic of the additional layers. But the main topic, which is the layer window topic, is still ongoing. So for this Medibang Paint Pro tutorial, I will introduce the Add Layer folder. Okay, let's start. On screen right now, you'll see two different shapes, squares and circles. At the layer window, the layers of both these shapes are not arranged according to its shapes. Therefore, I will use folders to arrange the layers according to its shape. Let's take a look below this layer window. This is the Add Layer folder icon. Click on it and a folder will appear above this layer. So what is the purpose of a folder? The purpose of the folder is to help you arrange your layers so that the layer window will be neater and tidier, as well as making it easier for you to find a certain layer later on. Other than clicking on the Add Layer folder down here, you can also add folder by going to the layer item up at the menu bar, and in the drop down menu you can click on this Add Folder item, and then the new folder will instantly be added into the layer window. I'll name this folder Circle and this one will be the Square. Right, now to insert or add in a layer into the folder, you simply need to click and hold on a layer, then drag it into the folder. Now look, this layer has been added into this folder. You can be certain that a layer is inside the folder by checking on the space at the side of the layer, or you can hide that folder and you'd see that any layers inside the folder will be hidden from screen if the folder is hidden. Alright, so let me add the rest of the layers into its designated folder first. This would be the square, have the circle and square. And then green, square. Okay, now all the layers are inside the folder of the designated folder. Okay, inside this folder you can add another folder. So to do this, just click on the Add Folder icon, and then you'll see that there is a new folder inside another folder. So this one is called the subfolder. To insert or add in a layer into the subfolder, do the same as you would the regular layers, like this. Easy, right? Next, click on the folder icon, and the folder will close all the layers in it. The purpose for this is to lessen the crowding of layers inside the layer window. If all the layers are shown, the layer window would look like a mess, even though they are arranged accordingly. To reveal the closed layer, you can simply click on it, click on the the folder again, like so. Okay, and then you will be able to identify the layers also by hiding the folder, like I mentioned before. For example, if I only want to see the squares on screen, I'll just hide the folder for circle, and if I only want to see the circle on screen, I'll just hide the square folder. Easy, very easy. Okay, another property or a feature of the folder is being able to change all the layers within it simultaneously. Usually when you want to move a drawing on a layer, you will use the move tool and then move the drawing like this, right? Okay, but now if you use the move tool while selecting a folder, for example, I'll click on this circle folder, then all the drawings of the layer within the folder will move or change together like this. So I move the circle folder, and then now I'll move for the squares like this. You can even do the same for the subfolders like so. So then we've completed the topic of the add folder. It's very easy to understand and do, right? Creating and adding folders are important and helpful when you are drawing at a more complex level. The more complex your drawing is, the more layers you will be using. Therefore, the folders will help you to arrange your layers so that they are neat, tidy, and easier to find. Here is an example of a simple art drawing. Even though the art is this simple, I still arrange my layers properly. Like this folder is for the line art, and I have my colors here in this folder and the background. I even have my pencil for my drafts here, in which case inside this are several models that I came up before deciding on one to draw the next step. Okay, so I have this and much more. So I pick this and then I move on to the next step. Now inside this background folder I have a sub folder. Okay, this one contains the ideas that I think can be good. So instead of deleting the layer, I just hide it, because like maybe later I want to pick a different pattern, so I can just pick from here. I don't need to delete it, I just hide it, and then so that's it. Okay, now the next one is an example of a very complex art drawing. You can see in this layer window that I used very many layers, and there are hundreds of them, hundreds of these layers. If I leave all these layers without proper arrangement, it will trouble me later when I need to find a certain layer. That is why I use the folder to arrange the drawings and to arrange the layers. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video of Medibang Paint Pro. Please like this video and subscribe to Moonlight Nana channel, or follow me on Facebook, and together we help each other out in our art journey. Have a blessed day ahead, everybody.